ਹੈਲੋ एवरीवन ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਮਾਈ ਚੈਨਲ। तो इस वीडियो 'ਚ मैं ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਰਟ ਇੰਟੈਗ੍ਰੇਟਡ ਪ੍ਰੋਜੈਕਟ ਔਨ ਰੇਨਫॉल ਉਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰੂੰਗੀ। ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਮੈਂ ਕੁਝ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰੂੰਗੀ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਇੰਟਰੋਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਰੇਨਫॉल, ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਸ ਆਫ ਰੇਨਫॉल, ਹਾਊ ਡਜ਼ ਰੇਨ ਅਕਰ ਐਂਡ ਰੇਨਫॉल ਇਨ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਐਂਡ ਆਂਧਰਾ ਪ੍ਰਦੇਸ਼। तो वीडियो शुरू करने तो पहले छोटी जी रिक्वेस्ट है, जो चैनल पर पहली बार आए तो प्लीज़ इन्हू सबसक्राइब कर लियो। तो चलिए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। सब तो पहला जिहड़ा हैगा वा इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ रेनफॉल। रेनफॉल इज़ द नेचुरल प्रोसैस ऑफ कंडेंसेशन थ्रू विच गैसेस फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर इज़ converted into liquid water droplet. It occurs due to cooling of saturated air mass, warm and moist air mass rising upward, warm air rising over cold air, sufficient humidity in the air and condensation. There are three types of rainfall: convectional rainfall, orographic rainfall and cyclonic rainfall. Importance of rainfall. Rain and snow are key elements in the Earth's water cycle, which is vital to all life on Earth. Rainfall is the main way that the water in the skies come down to earth, where it fills our lakes and rivers, recharges the ground aquifer and provide drink to all living beings. Rainfall is very important for the survival of plants and animals. It brings fresh water to the earth's surface. If rainfall less, there is water scarcity, which sometimes causes drought-like situations. If there is excess rain, floods take place, which make the life of the affected people miserable. Next jehda hega va, how does rain occurs? Liquid water evaporate into water vapor, condense to form clouds, and precipitation back to earth in the form of rainwater is different phases moves through the atmosphere. इस तो अगे जिहड़ा हैगा वा रेनफॉल इन पंजाब. Punjab is situated in the northern eastern part of India. The Punjab climate is determined by the extreme hot and extreme cold condition. The region lying near the foothills of Himalayas receive heavy rainfall, whereas region lying at distance from the hills, the rainfall is scanty and the temperature is high. The rainy season in Punjab is from the month of early July to end of September. It ranges from 250 mm to 1000 mm. The agriculture of the state is highly depends on the rain. The monsoon is brought by the monsoonal winds blowing over the Bay of Bengal. The region near the Shivalik Hills experience the maximum, and desert in the west experience less rainfall. The southwest monsoon winds bring bulk of rainfall in state, which lasts for 3 months. The remaining occasional rainfall is received during winter months. The hilly region receives rainfall more than 1000 mm. Ropar, Hoshiarpur, Gurdaspur and parts of eastern Patiala region receive rainfall above 750 mm. Almost all the remaining area receive rainfall in range of 500 mm. The extreme west region of state receives rainfall below 250 mm. ਤੇ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਵਾ rainfall in Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is situated on the southeastern coast of India. Climate of Andhra Pradesh can be referred to as tropical. In November and December, heavy rainfall can be experienced. Southwest monsoon winds offer maximum rainfall at time reaching up to 55 inches maximum. In region closer to coast rainfall is heavy during October and November. Heavy rainfall occurs due to northeast monsoon winds. Tropical rains occur in the state of Andhra Pradesh during month of July till September. Heavy rainfall is experienced during this time in the region located close to coast. Heavy rainfall occurs in comparison to the plateau region, especially in west and north regions getting lesser rainfall. Heavy showers are experienced in October and November month in coastal regions. However, for annual it ranges from 1045 mm to 1170 mm.